We have the Durban July today and I am on the stepper starting my day the right way. Really did not feel like doing this, it was so cold at home, but it's actually such a beautiful Durban morning. The July, I need to fetch my bolero at 9. Makeup person's coming at 8:30, so I don't really know how that's going to work. Need to get wire for my hair and I still want to get some like jewelry or cuffs or something. It's now 7:30. Wish me luck. Okay, let's go to the Durban July. So ready for today. Bye. Okay, so you don't have black, just normal.
I'm ready for the lady.
Okay, I'll take some of this and some of this. Just in case. Sorted. I've never bet before in my life. Who's 11 and who's 7?
I'm 007.
It's now 8:30. Andy is on her way to me to do my makeup and Mish's makeup. Friends, lol, this is ridiculous. All I need is gold cuffs. And I definitely had a big gold cuff that I wore to one of my work Christmas parties. I'm fucking 11th hour trying to find a gold cuff and gold. Yeah, like just logistically I fucked this up a bit. Not actually true, it's just like, how do you make sure that things come, like I feel like with events and this type of thing, like it's so hard to plan in advance. Like these things like always end up being like a little bit chaotic and then it comes together and then you're like, oh my word, that was all so worth it. It's like the thrill of the chase, you know. Also like last night trying to organize a flippin' car to drive us there, because I really don't want to be like arriving some funny car like, but I also just need to get very excited. Makeup is done. Accessories are not gonna happen, so yeah, I'm just gonna have to make it work and not have accessories. Okay, I'm at Everlasting and I am looking for jewelry. Some accessories, guys. If I can touch and go here. Need to be at the venue in like half an hour. night and Slade and I are bathing, taking my braids out. Slade. Taking my hair out and gonna have an amazing sleep tonight. So thank you for watching today.